If you're facing this error, then you're in the best video. In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to fix this error. Now, in order to fix the problem, click close over here, then you have to type cmd to run command. Press Ctrl R on your keyboard, then it will open up this pop-up. Then you have to type the cmd. Then cmd will open up here. Then you have to type this command, disk part. Then we have to type this command, let's list disk. Then we're going to type this command, select disk and the disk number which you want to format. I want to format this disk, that is disk 2. Then I'm going to type this command, select disk 2. Now here, first I will type this command clean. Now once you're done cleaning your USB drive, then you can go into your file manager. Then as you can see, I'm not able to find any disk right over here. Then I'm gonna go to disk management. From here, I'm gonna right click on here, then I'm gonna choose disk management. Then I'll right click here, new simple volume, next, and you can select NTFS, exFAT, whatever you want. I want to choose exFAT, then I'm gonna click on next and finish. Let's see if I refresh it over here. As you can see that my disk is formatted and I'm able to use my USB drive. Make sure that you are formatting your drive through exFAT. So I hope you guys found this quick video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.